Good evening, class. How are we doing this morning? Today we are going to learn how to factor and solve the equation. Here we see a function of 5a minus 3 squared minus 6 times 5a minus 3 plus 9 is equal to 0. So we're going to let u equal 5a minus 3, and so the function will become u squared minus 6u plus 9 is equal to 0. So now we need to multiply the first and third terms in a process known as factoring by grouping. We will now obtain 9u squared. So we need to multiply two numbers to obtain 9 and add to be the coefficient of the middle term of negative 6. So negative 3 times negative 3 is 9, and negative 3 plus negative 3 equals negative 6. So negative 3u times negative 3u is 9u squared. So in the grouping process, we will obtain u squared minus 3u plus 9 is equal to 0. So the function will now be needing to have a divider line to split it in half to find the overall GCF on both sides. So u squared minus 3u has a u in common, so we pull a u out and it's going to become u times u minus 3. And on the right side of the divider line, negative 3u plus 9 has a common factor of negative 3. And we pull that out, and it's going to become negative 3 times u minus 3. So the overall GCF to the problem is u minus 3. So the overall greatest common factor is u minus 3, and this will factor into u minus 3 times u minus 3 and set that equal to 0. And we add 3 to both sides and obtain u is equal to 3. So earlier we substituted 5a minus 3 with u. So now we need to substitute u back with 5a minus 3. And so now the function will read 5a minus 3 is equal to 3. So 5a minus 3 is equal to 3. So we want to add 3 to both sides and obtain 5a is equal to 6. And then divide both sides by 5. So a is going to equal to 6/5. If you need math help, please text 559-744-3169 for services. Please donate on the Cash App with the $ up front, MLBFan. Again, please donate on the Cash App with the $ up front, MLBFan. Thank you so much, and let's learn math together.